The AD Plus AI Dashcam is easy and fast to install. It takes only a few minutes. Inside the kit, you'll find the following items. Before installation, please park your vehicle on a level surface. Make sure you have your AD Plus kit, a PH2 screwdriver, a 5-meter measuring tape, a nano SIM card and TF cards, and a smartphone with the installation app. Take out the AD Plus camera, then insert the SIM card and TF cards. To get the most out of the AI features, it's recommended to mount the camera in the middle of the upper section of the windshield, where it can be covered by the wipers. Clean the installation area for secure adhesion. Paste the spirit level above the target installation area horizontally. Remove the wrapping of the installation bracket. Paste the bracket below the spirit level. Paste the spirit level on the side of the camera and make sure that the edge is perfectly aligned with the indicated line of the camera. Attach the camera on the bracket and screw the bracket stud to fix the camera. Adjust the camera to level it, then tighten the bracket stud so the camera doesn't tilt. Remove the spirit level after this step. Correct the camera and the OBD power supply cable. Use a pry bar to hide the cable along the edge of the windshield. Paste the power box firmly on the plastic board or steel frame. Connect the power supply cable to the OBD port. Start the engine. After the indicator lights up, log into the installation app within 2 minutes. Select calibration and connect it to the camera. Use the credentials provided in the included manual to log in. Check if the self-inspection status of the MDVR is normal. Calibrate the road-facing camera by putting in the front view lens height from the ground, the left and right margins, the width of the vehicle, and the length of the front face in the calibration interface. Calibrate the cabin-facing camera by selecting the position of the wheel and adjusting the inward lens to ensure that the driver cabin is centered horizontally and vertically. Finally, tighten the screws on the slot panel. Congratulations! Your AD Plus AI Dashcam is ready to go. It will safeguard your trips, whenever and wherever you go.